Alright guys, we're jumping straight into the video. Today's video, I have their 017 Highlight Loose Deep Wave. This is a lace frontal wig. The density is 180% and the length is 26 inches. Let's just get into this beautiful, beautiful highlighted wig, y'all. This is what she looks like straight out the package. I'm loving the highlights on this unit, and I love that the roots are dark. I'm here for dark roots. I live for them. I feel like if this had that brown color on the roots, I wouldn't have liked it. I wouldn't have. But y'all, they did pre-pluck the lace, so you don't have to worry about that. And yeah, so of course this is the overall construction, as you guys can see. Alright guys, so we're about to install this bad boy. Off camera, I did go ahead and, just do a little bit more of plucking. Y'all know when I'm trying to be extra, I do go back in and pluck a little bit more. I did detangle the hair off camera as well, but I am going to do it again when the time comes to, do my curly hair routine. So this unit was bad AF. I am freaking in love, y'all. Y'all gonna be seeing me in this unit all the time because, like, sis, I'm obsessed. I'm in love. But off camera, like I said, I did go ahead and pre-pluck it. Well, it came pre-plucked, but I did some more plucking and I tinted the lace, but I am going to go and fix the lace once I have it installed because the shade I used, I ran out of my normal shade, so I had to use the other one, which was a little bit too light for me, for my liking anyway. So yeah, so here I'm just cutting off the excess lace. As y'all can see, I'm just cutting, jagged edges so, everything can melt together nice and neat when the time comes. Now I'm going in with my Hold Me Down Holding Spray by Erica J. I am obsessed with this stuff. So I am using this today and I'm just gonna, spray some and then spread it back. I'm gonna let it, cool a little bit for about 10 seconds. And once it gets a little bit tacky, I am going to secure it down. I start from the center and work my way left, right. Y'all get my gist. If you guys are OGs, y'all already know what I do. So yeah. Alright, so now that my lace is fully secured, I'm going to go in and add my contour shade. Now, I took the darkest shade out of my e.l.f. palette and we're just going to place it here. I did mix my Benefit bronzer as well with this shade. I know it looks a little crazy. You can see the line of demarcation, but I am going to put my scarf on and, take some heat to it and let it melt real quick. And yeah. So now I'm just going in and fixing up the part a little bit. It got a little bit lost in the sauce when I was doing all that extra stuff. So we're going to go ahead and fix that out. Y'all already know I'm doing my baby hairs for today. So I take some heating protecting spray and then I am using my bedhead wax stick and I'm just going to brush that, comb that into the lace, and then I'm going to run my hot comb through it, as you guys are going to see. And I just feel like this just gets everything looking nice, neat, and laid. Now I'm going to take my scissors and we are going to cut at an angle. I like to leave my, sideburns a little bit longer. So I make sure to cut, just leave a little bit of extraness there. I'm taking my Got To Be glue spray and I'm just going to go ahead and use that along with Erica J's foam wrap lotion. I mix those two together to help my baby hairs stay in place. Also swoop a little bit more easier. Now that my baby hairs are complete, look how good this lace is looking. Like, I'm completely obsessed. Like, this is giving me 100% scalp vibes. Like, I don't know. I feel like this is like a Beyonce wig, but it's made with dark roots, and I'm here for it because, I just felt really, really good in this wig. And when it comes to color, I'm always iffy. But when I have those dark roots, sis, the dark roots just give me that bad bee confidence, But anyway, I'm just doing my curly hair routine. I'm just doing some water and my foam wrap lotion. I'm not doing like my wet hair curly look per se because I just want it to, be fluffy, a little bit messy. That's the type of vibes I was going for this day. But yeah, so this is pretty much all to the video. I really, really enjoyed working with this hair. I didn't have any problems with it, believe it or not, y'all. I didn't get no tangling. I got minimum shedding. The hair felt amazing. For it to be pre-colored, it did not give me that dry vibe like, oh my gosh, I need to wash it. It didn't give me none of that, y'all. So y'all, if y'all looking for a bomb highlighted wig, I definitely would recommend this to you, y'all. This was one of my easiest installs ever, and like I'm very, very pleased at the color. Like, I'm hyped with the color. I feel like it just goes well with my skin tone, and I'm just completely here for it. It's just a beautiful, beautiful wig. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think of this unit in the comment section below. Don't forget to check the description section. All information in regards to the hair and the products I use will be listed there below. So, and until next time, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.